Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anda Malescu and I am the owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida. Here at Malescu Law, we specialize in serving companies, investors and entrepreneurs in the area of business, corporate law in Florida and immigration throughout the United States. If you need to get in touch with us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell button or the subscribe button. Today we have some very exciting news for those of you who are spouses on H4 status, L2 status, E1, E2 and E3 statuses and the work authorization card and automatic extension. Basically, on November 12, 2021, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has updated its policy regarding the EAD renewal and automatic extension for spouses on H4, L2, E1, E2, and E3. Up until recently, the spouses on H4, L2, E1, E2, and E3 visa status were required to apply for a work permit or a work authorization card and receive the EAD card before they were able to start working in the United States. Now, there are some questions regarding the new policy, whether you can continue working while the EAD card is pending, and whether you still need to apply for an EAD card in the first place. And we will address these questions shortly. Now, the first question is, do you need to apply for an EAD card as a spouse on H4, L2, E1, E2, or E3 status under the new policy? Currently, the L2 spouses and the E1, E2, and E3 spouses do not need to apply for an EAD card in order to be able to work in the United States. Applying for the work authorization is optional, and the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services will continue processing these applications, but spouses on L2 and E1, E2, and E3 statuses are not required to file for a work authorization card prior to their employment. The way it is going to work from now on with the spouses on L and E statuses is that the DHS is taking steps towards modifying the I-94 form to show the dependent status, and you will be able to use your I-94 form in order to work in the United States. On the new I-94 form, there will be a notation that will differentiate between the spouse and the children independent status, and you will be able to use this form to work in the United States without having to apply for an EAD card if you choose not to do so. Now, regarding the spouses on H4 visa status, they will be required to still apply for an EAD card for the first time. So, if you are on an H4 status and you never had an EAD card, you are still required to apply for a work authorization card prior to taking employment in the United States. But you may, however, upon renewal, qualify for automatic extension, and we will discuss that shortly. The second question is, can you continue to work in the United States while your EAD renewal is pending with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services? The answer is yes. Under the new policy, spouses on H4, L2, E1, E2, and E3 can continue working in the United States while the EAD renewal is pending if you meet the following conditions. you have applied with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services for a renewal for the work authorization prior to the card's expiration and in the same category, and you still have a valid I-94 status. If you indeed have applied before the card's expiration and you have a valid I-94 status, then you can continue working in the United States under the automatic extension while the EAD renewal is pending and until one of the following occurs first. Your I-94 expiration date is coming due, or the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has approved or denied your EAD renewal, or 180 days have passed since the expiration of your work authorization and your I-94 remains valid and you have not received a response, an approval or a denial for your EAD renewal from the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you need to get in touch with us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. We will see you soon. Bye.